Hello and welcome to IffI News. We bring to you all the latest happenings and celebrities visiting at the film fest. But first, let's have a look at the day's headlines. Football Fest of Movies kicks off, but with low response, 7 films to be screened on 7 days. IffI becomes socially more conscious, the NGO SARS sensitizes delegates on special children. Madhuri Dixit says Goans have hearts as soft as sand. Madgaonkars felicitate the Dhak Dhak Diva. Casting director of Slumdog Millionaire gives thumbs up for Goa, calls state an ideal venue for IffI. And many hurt as IffI organizers fail to give his due to Bhupen Hazarika protest in their own style at IffI venue. First, we bring to you top happenings at IffI. IffI organizers are leaving no effort behind to try and add new facets to the 42nd International Film Festival of India. To keep in tune with that, a special football fest was kicked off on Kampal ground with a huge blow-up screen erected. 7 films will be screened on 7 days. The festival was inaugurated with the South Korean film A Barefoot Dream. Chief organizer of the football fest, Faisal Khan, was excited to see his venture take center stage on Thursday evening. He hopes that football crazy state of Goa accepts this concept like Manchester United or Arsenal. And our football coach Savio Madeira inaugurated the festival, but the response to this fest was minimal. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira and Onkar Farari reports from Panchi.
Sir, could you tell us why such a film festival, why this part of the film festival, and what is your selection of movies?
Yeah, the festival is happen in the football package is happening in the backdrop of a lot of interest in football happening right now in India. In August, Lionel Messi led Argentina came to play a friendly against Venezuela in India, Calcutta, and a month later, Blackburn Rovers, which is owned by an Indian company, came to Pune to play against Pune FC. And next January in Delhi, the biggest of the German teams, Bayern Munich, is going to come and play against Indian team.
You being a journalist yourself, doing a bit of organizing of this film, this part of the film festival, the football package of it. What is behind the package? What are the films you've selected for this package? And what is the reason that you've selected these films?
There are 7 films in the concept of 7 days, 7 films. First is A Barefoot Dream from South Korea.
Savio, the Zambia match coming up, all eyes will be on how India perform under you in Goa itself. What do you feel are the realistic chances of the Indian side?
First of all, we know that Zambia is a very strong opponent. Their ranking is also high, their standard is high. But since we have started well, boys will be trying to continue doing the good work, and since they are playing with Goa on the 26th, we'll be able to gauge what are their strong points, weak points, and we will try to do our best on the 29th with them.
Looking at the match against Malaysia, the Indian boys looked very fit. That was a visible difference. Did you do anything in specific to change their fitness regime, because the fitness seemed very high?
Nothing. It's the only thing what the boys did was, it's all credit goes to them, because we met only a day before, only one session. And the second match also I had to change most of the boys, because otherwise within not even 72 hours and they are playing 2 friendlies which were not right. And I think they did a great job, and credit goes to them.
Savio, the last time we spoke to you, you were the assistant India coach, and today you stand in front of us, the India coach. Was Prudent a bit of a good luck for you?
Absolutely. So I hope it continues, and whatever we have started, maybe it'll end on a good note in the future.
What did AIFF tell you when they were handing you the job? Are you looking at a longer contract or just till May 2012, as you were saying?
No, right now it's May 2012. And like how we started with 2 good victories, maybe if we perform well in the SAF and AFC challenge, which is coming up in March, maybe the extension will surely be there. But I just want to concentrate on the SAF Cup now, and then I'll see how it goes on.
Sabir, we wish you all the best and hope you continue a very long stint with the Indian team.
Shalini Gupta, Neena Wagh and Kusum Tiwari, the three ladies who created an informal group Saath, have come forward to sensitize filmmakers and delegates about the mission to create awareness about need of special children and their families. For the first time, International Film Festival of India will include social responsibility and inclusivity as part of the festival. Our reporter Lokik Shilkar and video journalist Sunny Narvekar reports from IffI Media Center.
About an organization that we started in 2009. It was a loose grouping of parents of special needs children. We were all on a journey and each of us was fighting our individual battles till the time this group was formed with just 4 parents to start it with. And eventually now we are about 250 parents strong, stretched all across the country. Some of our members are even located into the US and UK. So we call ourselves an international body of parents. We are not registered, and deliberately so, because we did not want the complications of politics of an organization and leadership to come into all of us. We just volunteer. All our activities are volunteer based. And we, on the 27th, we are actually here and we are deeply thankful to IFI, to IffI and to ESG for giving us the opportunity to come here with our real life stories. We believe each of those stories is something like a live script which filmmakers can use and use very effectively for filmmaking.
With my autistic child and a neurotypical child abroad, we went to UK. The minute we left this airport and we were in the airline, in the aeroplane, we felt we were made to feel so comfortable. All I had to do was say, I have a special need child, and right from the air hostess, don't worry ma'am, we'll take care, because my son is autistic, and it's actually a social behavior disorder, where a child can just go and pick up your bottle and will drink the water, or will generally just go and either he smell you or he will touch you without realizing that these are the do's and don'ts. They are absolutely oblivious to that. So and if you look at an autistic child, you will not be able to find anything amiss in terms of physical features, or if my son is sitting quietly, you will not be able to find anything to relate with the disability as such. He's a very good looking child. And so we need to explain. In India, we have to, each time he says, people generally think ye to bigda hua hai, you have not even taught this manners. Even if he says special need, autistic, wo kya hota hai. But when we went to UK, anywhere if you had to wait in the queues, you had to just say, he's a special need child, they will make you go out of the queue, you don't have to wait. Even the cab driver knew that special need. He turned back and asked, is he autistic? I said, yes. So that kind of comfort level we do not get in a public life. Filling in the gap between a wide gap between demand and supply. So we realized with a bunch of parents through this group of Saath that it's high time that we stop looking inwards and try reaching out to the larger society. And we thought that media and films have a massive reach out to a common man. I mean, just for an example, look what Tare Zameen Par did to dyslexia. Like the mass campaign, what it has done to polio eradication. We would like the whole campaign to reach out to that level where everybody knows, okay, this is intellectual disability. This is part of the mainstream. It's not a parallel activity. These children are also should be taken as part of the society. They should not be alienated. And that's why we are here making our own individual efforts. And we are here in front of you. Hope that we'll take you along or you will take us along.
Madhuri Dixit reminisced about Goa and Konkani language. She was speaking at Madgaon after being felicitated by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. Jackie Shroff praised Goans, stating their heart is as soft as lovely scent. Meanwhile, Digambar Kamath surprisingly preferred to speak about his constituency, more than the event. A report by our Murgaon reporter Samir Bhatt.
इथल्या मऊ रेतीप्रमाणे इकडची मनं पण तेवढीच मऊ आहे, तिकडचे हृदय पण तेवढेच मऊ आहे. आणि जे प्रेम आणि जो आदर तुम्ही आम्हाला एवढे वर्ष देत आलात त्याबद्दल मी खूप खूप तुमची खूप आभारी आहे. सर्व गोवेकरांना माझा नमस्कार परत एकदा. मला कोंकणी जास्ती येत नाही, पण माझ्या आईची आजी होती, ती थोडं कोंकणी मराठी मिक्स बोलायची आणि ती एक गाणं मला गुणगुणून दाखवायची. आम्ही फार लहान होतो तेव्हा, पण आता इथे बसल्या बसल्या मला आठवण येत होती त्याची, तर जरा शब्द काही चुकले तर सॉरी, पण मी गुणगुणते ते इथे. यशोदा काकू कित्ता करू एठा नाही ठारो, बोड्यो तुझो मोडून खोटो फोडून माझो डेरो, यशोदा काकू कित्ता करू. तिथे बसल्या बसल्या मला एक गाणं आठवतं.
म्हाका गोंय आवडटा आणि गोंयच्या लोकांचा हांव मोग करता. I love you too much. I love गोवा. मालूम है भी बोलने का नहीं 10,000 बार बोला. मला गोवा खूब आवडता है और मैं अपना बच्चा, my kids, my children, I've been getting my बच्चा for 19 years. 19 साल से मैं बच्चा को साउथ गोवा लेके आता है, लीला में जाके रहता है, उनको अच्छा लगता है. यहाँ का बीच सॉफ्ट है, जैसा आप लोग का दिल सॉफ्ट है. You know? It's a nice, lovely beach, lovely people, really wholesome.
की मडगाव हे आज इंटरनॅशनल मॅपाचेर पावले बिकॉज ऑफ इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया. काल इनॉग्रल फंक्शन हांगा जालें आनी तातूंतल्यान मडगाव ब्रँड हो इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचेर पावलो. म्हाका खूब जाण म्हणटात तूं फक्त मडगावचो आमदार म्हणून चिंतता, मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून केन्ना चिंतना म्हणून. हांव सगळ्यांत पयलीं मडगावचो आमदार हे सगळ्यांनी लक्षांत दवरपाक जाय. म्हज्याय लक्षांत आसा मुख्यमंत्री हांव मागीर, पूण मडगाव हे म्हजें असो संकल्प लक्षांत दवरून हांव काम करता आनी म्हणूनच आज येदो व्हडलो इव्हेंट काल हांगा जावपाक पावलो.
Bye.
We are heading for a short break. Stay tuned.